Just how safe is the Cirrus SR-20? The SR-20 is one of the primary planes that student pilots use at LAF, so it is important that the aircraft maintains a certain safety standard. This makes it slightly alarming that the plane has had 231 accidents recorded as of December 2015. However, it is notable that Cirrus has stepped up their game since then and has created a type-specific training program called Cirrus Approach, in which they promote the safe use of their Cirrus airframe parachute system. Out of 79 times it has been deployed, the Cirrus airframe parachute system has saved 65 aircraft. According to AOPA.org, since the introduction of their training program in 2011, when accident rates peaked at 16 for the Cirrus, there have been a steady decline in accidents, with only one accident this year. Cirrus was honored for their safety achievements with the Joseph T. Nall Safety Award by the Air Safety Institute this last July for their safety efforts.
For students majoring in professional flight in Purdue University, they have safety meetings every 2 weeks. One meeting in person and the other online. It is a presentation generally talked about things that they should not do and ways to prevent events that might cause accidents. And they also have safety quizzes once a week. There is a time limit, about 15 minutes, and it's like a quiz that have many questions and the answers are spread over a lot of books.
Safety and communications with tower at Purdue. Some of the problems we've faced in the past are miscommunication problems. For example, we've had a near miss where the tower thought that two aircraft almost collided with each other, when in reality there was still adequate separation in between the two. We've also experienced tower pressuring aircraft into moving, which resulted in a runway incursion, and low temper from tower, which our instructors have reported often. Now, the fixes to these problems are new procedures that were put in place. So we now have to call ground and say our intentions, such as we're going cross country or staying in the local area, and we have to call in sequence for takeoff when we're ready for takeoff. These procedures help reduce controller workload, which creates less stress for the controllers and us. And we've also been asked to do pattern work at the beginning of the flight slots, because it is easier for tower to put us in sequence when we're taking off rather than when we're coming in to land. Some important points to note about safety are the proper use of phraseology. That assures that tower understands what we are saying and that we understand what tower is telling us. And the clear and to-the-point communications, meaning that we should keep our communications short and precise so that tower knows exactly what we're saying and we're not taking too much time on the frequency.
Did you know that more than 27,000 ramp accidents and incidents happen each year? That's 1 per 1,000 flights. Visual docking guidance system, also known as Safe Dock or Safe Gate, provide azimuth guidance along the taxi center line and stop position information in meters. The technology eliminates reporting delays by automatically capturing and reporting actual in and out times. By reducing congestion and the number of personnel on the ramp, a safer airport environment can be created, even at Purdue Airport, and offer plenty of learning opportunities for aviation majors. SafeDock determines the aircraft type automatically, for example A320, and sets the relevant guidance parameters accordingly. They also incorporate warnings, for example slow down if entry speed is above 6 knots, and stop when the docking spot is reached. Additionally, the display may show other information, such as parking confirmation or departure countdown.